Does the stock market rally or reset from here? And honestly, I don't know. In my opinion, what makes it so difficult to try to figure out where the stock market could go from here is the normal principles of the fundamentals and the technical analysis apply way less than they normally do because they are being overshadowed by oil prices, that movement, and the movement in yields. So again, we generally, and it could be that the stock market and people are starting to get a little bit numb to the headlines because oil up today, yields up today, stock market kind of flat to higher. You wouldn't expect that. You would think the market would be down. So again, in general, we kind of generally need lower oil prices, lower yields for the stock market to really head higher. Otherwise, I think this could be a dead cat bounce. What do you think? Do you think we rally higher or dead cat bounce lower? Let me know in the comments. Please like this video and follow for more. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC. I don't follow the emotional herd. I use them to give myself an advantage. And pretty much the only thing that matters now is what happens, because here we are with short-term underlying emotions between mild and moderate happiness. So if those underlying emotions get a little happier, if we can kind of get up closer to exuberance or at least moderate happiness across the board, that will be the very telling point. At that time, does the stock market generally chop sideways, allow that recent run up and that recent happiness to burn off a little while stock market moving sideways? Or do we get to that point of emotional short-term happiness and woof, it dies all over again? That is the biggest thing that I'm waiting for right now. If you would like me to invest your portfolio for you through times like this, comment manage. If you would like to receive my real-time stock trades, comment trades. The S&P 500 fractionally higher as of about 1:40 Eastern time. Again, I am looking to see what happens if those short-term underlying emotions come up to moderate happiness, even exuberance, and then do we chop sideways before the next leg up, or is that the next dead cat bounce down? I know that you like to see levels, so less important than what we do when we get to happiness there is the levels. Now, again, if we can make a confirmed breakout above 66,036, that could be a decent level, would give me a much better feeling if the S&P 500 could confirm the breakout above 6,696. Watch these levels. The 10-year yield a little higher on the day here, erasing the unconfirmed breakdown below 4.32%, so back up into that confirmed breakout area. You remember on Tuesday, I started a new long bond fund position that makes money when these yields fall. So a tiny bit underwater on that trade. I absolutely think it's worth holding. But again, general terms, we need lower yields to have a higher market. West Texas Intermediate crude oil looking like it could make another 52-week high here. Again, generally need lower crude oil prices to see a higher stock market. Yes, my short crude oil position is underwater. That's okay. The conflict in Iran will not last forever. Gold about flat on the day as of 1:36 Eastern here. Again, generally want to see higher gold prices. It's generally, in this point right now, a better sign for the market. I still own that recent long, meaning I bought gold trade. I'm still in it. I think I will stay in it throughout the rest of the day, but if you want to know, send me an email. I am looking, though, potentially here to exit that trade, and I'll be happy to do so. Bitcoin higher, although off the highs of the day, potentially, let's see how we close, could make an unconfirmed breakout above 69,212. I'm not currently in a Bitcoin trade. Potentially, if we can confirm the breakout, it could be an opportunity coming up to short Bitcoin, so watch this channel.